Well, if we're lucky, this is the last time we have to do it this way. Tomorrow, you'll have a knowledge check to take on this stuff, so there won't be a video. So hopefully this is the last time we're using Sage's room as a classroom. So day 2 of graphing these things, I have a line up here. Right away, you should see that this is a negative slope. It's going down. So right away, I could even start and I could say, I know my x value is going to be negative. Okay, this is going to be negative because it's going down. So here I'm going to count my slope. I'll draw it over here so we can see it a little better and it's not on the axis. If I do this, this goes over 2 and this goes up 3. Rise over run, even though I drew it that way, this is 3 over 2 x. Up 3 over 2 for my slope. It's negative because it's going down. Plus, I have a dot right here on my y-axis. This is my y, this is my x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5 is my y-intercept. So this right here is the equation of that line. Okay, you're going to do more problems just like that one today. Remember, if your line is going this way, it's positive. If your line's going this way, it's negative. Okay, and we could actually do, let's just do this. What if I drew one right here? Straight across. Let's pretend that that's straight across, even though it's probably not quite straight. Now, from Mr. Slope Guy in the classroom, you should remember that straight across is actually 0 slope. So the equation of that line would be 0x plus, and this guy crosses at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, positive 5. Would look like that. Okay, and I can simplify that even more. 0 times x is just 0. Y equals 5 is actually the most simplest form of that line right there. Okay, now the only other way we could have a line is straight up and down. Now we know, let's pretend that that's straight up and down right there. We know that that thing has no slope. We talked about that already. That has an undefined slope or no slope. And the way we do an equation for that is actually x equals. It's the only one that starts x equals, and we just put wherever it crosses. If that thing was straight up and down over here, for example, it would be x equals negative 5 if it was over there. Okay, so we've got y equals 0x plus 5. This guy's x equals 4. This guy's x equals negative 5. And then this is 3 over 2 negative. So we have all different kinds of slopes. The reason this doesn't have a y equals is because it's not crossing the y-axis ever. Okay, so you may see something like this or this on that knowledge check tomorrow, or we may see some lines like that. Okay, email me with any questions as always.